Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are doing well in your home. Today, in continuation to practical session, we will demonstrate how can we set a buffet under the module BHM CT 6 semester 602 Food and Beverage Management. So let's have a look. So today we will, demonstrate ki how can we set a buffet anywhere at our home. Students, after laying tablecloths on buffet table, the first we have to lay the meal plates accordingly as per the packs we are having. Next, we'll place the desired cutleries. This is how you can set your cutleries. Further, we will place paper napkins. There is a provision of paper napkin. We can place such paper napkins on the table like this. Flower arrangements. Further, we'll move to the first course, that is soup. And meanwhile, we'll put the name tag accordingly. Okay, there is a soup dispenser and relevant cutleries, soup spoon. Next, further we'll move to salad stand. This is how we can assemble the stand. Caesar salad. Next, move on to chefing dishes. See, we have a two different partition. The chefing dishes. Okay, this is a Here you can see we have a electrically operated chefing dishes. This is a container in which we need to fill it water in a desired level, and on the upper side we need to put the food pan. In a part of chefing dish we are serving handi ghost, and another part we have a mutton rogan josh. This is how we can display our tags on bullets, and here we can stick with the bullets. another course, gobi dhania adraki, malai kofta. This is how we can set our disease tag in bullets. Be ensure there should be a symmetry in fonts, display cards, and bullets. The final course, the dessert. Placing of B&B to hold the ladles. Tongue for the salad. Ladles. At the last, the flower arrangement. A simple and basic idea for setting a buffet at your restaurant, at your home, or maybe in our Odyssey. Thank you, students.